Shabbat Shalom, everyone. How are you? Do you like math? Let's find a pattern. Look at this. What do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rest. 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 And then something special. And then it goes again. What do you see? What does that look like? There are two things that can look like. So we are right in the middle of counting the Omer. That is 7 days, 6 days and then the Sabbath. 7 days times 7 weeks plus 1. We are also in our double Torah portion, Behar-Bechukotai, which tells us about the year of Shemitah and the year of Yovel, the Jubilee Year. That has the same pattern. Listen. Count off 7 Sabbaths of years, 7 times 7 years, so that the 7 Sabbaths of years amount to a period of 49 years. Then have the trumpet sounded everywhere on the 10th day of the 7th month. On the Day of Atonement, sound the trumpet throughout your land. Consecrate the 50th year and proclaim liberty throughout the land to all its inhabitants. It shall be a jubilee for you. Each one of you is to return to his family property and each to his own clan. The 50th year shall be a jubilee for you. Do not sow and do not reap what grows of itself, or harvest the untended vines. For it is a jubilee and is to be holy for you. Eat only what is taken directly from the fields. In this year of Jubilee, everyone is to return to his own property. So we know that during our regular week, we're supposed to work for 6 days and then rest on the 7th. That's the Shabbat. Well, during this cycle, we are supposed to work our land, grow, plant, and harvest for 6 years and then let the land rest on the 7th. Did you know that the land gets a Sabbath rest? So what's the math in our pattern? 7 times 7 plus 1. What is 7 times 7 plus 1? Yes, that's right. It's 50. Isn't that interesting that God gives us the same pattern for the counting of the Omer and the counting of the Shemitah and the Yovel, the year of Jubilee? Let's look at what else is similar or maybe different between those two. So we have in the counting of the Omer, we have it starting with a shofar blast. And the year of Jubilee also does. And we have the number 50. In the counting of the Omer up to Shavuot, we see the first fruits of the harvest and the first fruits of the resurrection. We know that that is a special holy day that celebrates the giving of the Torah and the giving of the Spirit in Acts chapter 2. And then we also have special themes about the Goel, the kinsman redeemer, on Shavuot, which is what the counting of the Omer leads up to. And then in the counting of the Shemitah and the year of Yovel, we also have the shofar. We also have that same pattern with the number 50. We see the redemption of the land and the redemption of the slaves. We see rest and restoration, and we also see a similar theme of the Goel, the kinsman redeemer. Isn't Adonai amazing? When we see patterns like this, we know that he has something special for us. So why do we count the days and why do we count the years? We count because we are looking forward to something special. Hallelujah. Shabbat Shalom.